Alright, what's good everybody, man? So this is kind of different, man. I got a whole ass goddamn phone in my head, but people always ask me, you know, what I do after stream, all that, and I thought I would just start a second channel. You guys know I love cars, and I kind of got this idea from Kwan. I don't know if you guys watch him. You might know him, but yeah, man, it's kind of windy right now. It's almost midnight. Just gonna go for a little drive. Not gonna do too much talking, but yeah, I just be driving like crazy, but safe at the same time. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. This is something different. Hopefully, dude, you guys can hear it. Dude, I love it, dude. This just never gets old. Literally never. But yeah, man, Call of Duty is dead. It's literally dead. And I feel like this is the year to try out some new things, man, and that's what I'm gonna do. So that's it. So there's probably like 7-8 Corvettes in Georgia in total, which is like so rare. And yeah, man, everywhere I go, this car just catches eyes. I mean, it's pretty normal in America. Obviously, this is an American car. And yeah, man, you're gonna see a lot of BMWs, Mercedes here, but not Corvettes. Okay. Dude, late night driving, one of the best therapies. If you're not doing it, you're doing it wrong. I love it, man. I love it. But yeah, man, this city is pretty busy. It's like I said, it's almost midnight, and yeah, like I mean, it's like the city is just busy still. Hopefully, it's not too windy, man. So usually I just be driving like this in sport mode, but if I really want to like feel it all, there's a Corvette right there. If I want to like feel it all, I just go pedals, shifters, whatever. But yeah, I might just do that later in the video too. Dude, cops be stopping me a lot, I ain't even gonna lie. So I feel like it's gonna be one of the future videos. So kind of want to get some food, but I don't know. I might just leave it like this. What's up, bitch? Oh, he's trying to race. I think it's a Mercedes. Yeah, that's what I thought. I can smell the tires, bro. Mercedes that, dude, most of them are like Mercedes, BMW here, you're gonna see most of them that just have those fake badges, like 5 Series with like M5. I don't even know what this is. People are probably looking at me crazy, bro. I got a whole goddamn phone in my head. I'm like, what is this dude doing? God, dude. Holy shit, I love man, this shit makes me shit makes me happy, bro. I love it. I love the downshifts. So this city is pretty small, man. Usually when there's no traffic, like this city is just small, bro. You can just go around the whole city in like 30 minutes. Not even. It's very small. So it kind of makes sense, like why it's always busy and stuff. Because everybody has a car. Everybody has like Prius, like those cheap cars. But yeah, man. What is this dude doing, bruh? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, man, because I really want to be doing this. I really want to put my time into it. And my most asked question is if I'm actually going back to America, if I'm going to take this car with me. And dude, yeah, I'm just like waiting for some things. Like Call of Duty is just so bad, there's no point to go back now, you know what I mean? But we'll see, man. I'm just like going with the flow right now. It's been like really rough year and a half, I ain't even gonna lie. But you know, there's just life, bro, ups and downs. And this is how it be. So I just wake up, just grind, Warzone, stream, edit video, might hang out with a chick, and or just go for a late night drive. I don't know. It's really it is, and I'm kind of bored of it, bro. I just want something new. Like back then, I just miss America so much, man. Everything about America, I really miss it. And yeah, we'll see how things go, man. See what the future holds. You know what I mean? This is a stock, by the way. It's just 2017 Stingray, all stock, everything, and I don't know, man. I don't mind. It's like a lot. It's fast. It's enough for me, especially in the city, man. Like, you know, my next car, I definitely want to buy C8s. You know, we'll see. It's like my next car, it's gotta be C8 or Trackhawk, dude. Trackhawk, like Quan literally got me on Trackhawk. I never even knew SUV existed like that. Like the sound, everything it makes, shit as well. There's a camera right here. But yeah, man, we'll see. Just going with the flow, you know, trying to stay strong. One thing I love about myself is that, dude, I'm just like so passionate, and like I'm just a grinder, bro. Like if something is not going right in my career, I don't care about anything else. Like I'm just gonna keep grinding and make it right until I'm like really, really happy. If my career is going good, I'm the happiest person in the world. And if I'm being productive, if I'm just sitting there not doing anything, I'm just depressed, sad, just sitting there. Like, yeah, it's just, I don't know. I just love working, man. I love grinding. And also, let me know, guys, if you want to see more. Should I do more cuts in these videos, or just raw, just talking and just driving, whatever I'm doing? But yeah, for all the new people, man, I'm actually from Georgia, the country. I used to live in America, but then I kind of had to move back. And then last time I was in America was like September last year, and it was probably the best time of last year. It was amazing. I'd connect, hung out with my friends, hung out with Schoolboy Q. Like, dude, I just have so much on my table. Like, right now I'm kind of lost with my life, like, because things are not going good. But I'll figure it out, man. I'm built for this, literally. And I just have so much on my table, bro. I know my potential. It's just like Call of Duty is so bad right now, bro. It's just, I don't know what to do, man. And just gaming right now is just stale. It's kind of bad. I'm recording things with my iPhone, by the way. This road is kind of dog shit, so I'm gonna just stay away from this road. Alright, we're gonna turn left right here, okay. Roads, I mean, they're not too bad in my city, but they're not the best, you know what I mean? Shut the fuck up. There's like drunk ass people all over the city now. That's all people do here, man. belong here. Like, that ass, man. Don't get me wrong, I love drinking. Like in America, bro, there was weeks I used to go just drinking every day and just partying and shit. But this road is so bad, bro. What the hell? Alright, my bad. So iPhone just stopped recording for no reason. But yeah, I'm gonna just go home. I don't know what I'm gonna do actually. Might play some COD if my friends are online, but nobody plays COD anymore, dude. Sad. She's dead. But yeah, I'm gonna just get some food. I don't know, maybe watch some YouTube videos, all that. I'm alone today, no chick tonight. So, yeah, I'm gonna just watch some videos. And that's about it, man. I don't know. I usually go to bed at like 6 a.m. Wake up at like 12. Cause, bro, you just, I don't know, bro. I love sleeping, everyone loves sleeping, but it's just it's a waste of time, bro. You cannot be sleeping more than 6 hours, for me at least.